You might think meditation is just sitting quietly with your eyes closed, but in Daoism, that's only the tip of the iceberg. Meditation may be popular, but the Taoist way of meditating is very different from what you might expect. And in this next 5 minutes, I will explain to you why. I'm instructor Zhao Ning from Shen Daoism. We are a living path of Taoist cultivation dedicated to making Taoism more accessible. If you find value in our content, please like, share, and subscribe. And feel free to leave your Taoism related question in the comments below. Now let's get started. Most popular meditation methods today are simplified versions. Just like modern yogas, it's not the same as the traditional Hindu yoga. To make them more acceptable, much of the religious context has been removed. This works well for the beginners, but inevitably sacrifices depth and systematic structures. Taoist meditation is similar in this way. It is not an isolated technique, but an integral part of the complete Taoist cultivation system. From the outside, it may look like someone quietly sitting, but in reality, Taoist meditation can be divided into 3 levels: the form, the xing, the energy, qi, and the spirit, shen. Hence, within the Taoist system, there are many specific practices that resemble meditation in the outside look, yet each with its own name and usage. For example, there's 打坐, the seated meditation; 入静, entering the stillness; 坐忘, sitting in forgetfulness; 心斋, fasting the mind; 守一, guarding the one; 存神, holding the spirit; 存想 or 存思, visualization; 观想, the inner observation; 内视, the inner viewing; 反观, turning the gaze inward; 内照, the inner illumination; 胎息, the embryonic breathing; 凝神, concentrating the spirit; and 入定, entering meditative absorption. Let's talk about the 3 levels one by one. Form-based meditation focuses on the physical body. It often involves specific postures or hand seals to adjust the body's alignment. In fact, within the Taoist cultivation system, there is even a type of meditation that looks completely different from the common image of meditation. It is called Zhan Zhuang, often translated as standing pole or standing like a tree. You can think of it as a standing form of meditation. So rather than sitting cross-legged, the practitioner stands in specific postures with precise alignments and methods of applying forces. This practice restricts the body's internal connections and coordinations, releases blockages, and creates an integrated flow through the whole body. It not only quiets the mind, but also engages the entire body in a dynamic state of stillness. The energy-based Taoist meditation focuses on breathing, generally known in Daoism as Xifa, the breathing method. Breathing is used to gradually connect the body's vast network of qi channels, cultivate vital energies, and replenish what daily life consumes. For example, at Shen, our long breath method is combined with the Six-Syllable Formula. Each syllable corresponds to a specific organ, and subtle breathing is used to massage and stimulate the inner organs, strengthening them from within. For comparison, it's similar in concept to the pranayama in yoga, but with a unique Taoist framework that directly links breath patterns to organ health and energy flow of the whole body network. Spirit-based Taoist meditation focuses on 存思, or visualization, and 存神, the concentration of the spirit. Similar methods exist in other traditions. For example, some forms of tantric yoga involve visualizing a guru's image. In Daoism, however, the visualization is often of impersonal archetypes, such as a celestial venerable, symbolizing universal laws, and is usually practiced alongside chanting and hand seals. In Shengxuan, we often use the body's inner landscape, or what's called 内景, as the object of visualization, exploring the internal energies and symbolic map of the body. Hence, sitting quietly is only the tip of the iceberg for Taoist meditation. The diverse inner experience can be a rich and colorful world. Taoist meditation is not a single fixed practice, but a set of precise methods within a complete system. So, which one should you choose? Well, it depends on your innate constitution and the current cultivation state. So, for example, if your body is naturally strong and unobstructed, form-based meditation may suit you the best. If you're sensitive to energy, then breath energy-based meditation may feel more natural. And if you have strong imagination and spatial awareness, spirit-based meditation may be most effective. At Shengxuan Daoism, we use an assessment system to evaluate each practitioner's cultivation state to help them plan their training direction. Some choose to first strengthen their natural advantages, while others focus on addressing their weaknesses. It all depends on the personal goals and styles. I hope this 5-minute introduction has given you a clear overview of Taoist meditation. If you find our content valuable, please like, share, and subscribe to support us. This is the first episode in our new series, Daoism 5 Minutes, where each short session will cover one fundamental Taoist concept in a simple, accessible way. If you have Taoism-related questions, leave them in the comments below, and we will consider topics that can benefit everyone. Once again, I'm Zhang Ning from Shengxuan Daoism. We're a living path of Taoist cultivation, committed to making Taoism more accessible worldwide. Stay tuned and see you in the next video.